And new today is this mega size rose mask, 10.2 ounces. I did a little research because I couldn't believe that this is $39.98, and I was like, okay, it's QVC, right? We do value like no other. We give you exclusive. This is an exclusive size. And if you go to Peter's website, this would be $55 for a 5 ounce. This is $39.98 for 10.2 ounces. That's double. And you're getting 4 different rose extracts, which I know you're gonna speak to in a moment, but it has these anti-aging skin benefits that will just brighten your skin, make you look younger, make your skin more soft and supple. By the way, it has the most delicate scent. And if you shop with me, you know I love pink and red. Is this gorgeous or what? I mean, it's so pretty. Put it in the fridge. That's my favorite tip that you told me. Mm-hmm. It's like a whole different experience for your skin.
It sure is. The way I feel about masks is that if you're having a bad skin day, and we all know what that's like, you just look at yourself and go, what's wrong here? A mask is what can turn it around. This is the mask that Peter has a lot of them. So how do I differentiate in my brain? When I see this one, I go, okay, think pink. If my skin is pink, I use this mask. Pink from waxing, pink from exercising, pink from windburn, pink from a curling iron that I accidentally put on my forehead. This is the mask that is going to give you that kind of instant cooling and comfort along with hydration, tons and tons of hydration. It is it's so lightly scented, and it's actually naturally scented from the rose water that is in here. It actually has 4 different types of roses in here. There is the rose water, as I just mentioned. It revives tired skin and also smells fabulous. Rose canina, which has vitamin C. Rose hip seed, which has lots of vitamin C. People take it as a supplement. And rose damascena, as I like to call it, the precious rose damascena for comfort and rehydration. So your skin looks less wrinkled, more radiant. This is the stuff.
It feels amazing, by the way. I had to do all this.
I know,
you've
had quite a little spa hour.
Well, you know what? When in Rome, right?
And this is so cool. This formula, okay, this size is enough to do a mask a week for a year. A year.
What?
And yes. Yep, those are beautiful rose ingredients, by the by. The regular retail size is this big. Oh, hello, little girl. This is so big. This is what you're getting. This is like, oh, let's have a mask party and watch Netflix together. This is, but I mean, Peter's masks, again, this is not going to be like the heavy lifter in your skincare routine. That's what your retinol's for. That's what your peptides are for. This is that, oh, my skin just doesn't look right. It doesn't feel right. I need a little boost. That's what this does for you.
It's like an instant cooling sensation.
Yes,
as
it
soon
really
as you put
is.
it on your skin, it's like, you know when you take like a cool shower and you just feel relaxed? That's what this feels like. It's so good on your skin. Yes, I am doing this on live TV, and I am counting because it says 10 minutes. I'm sitting here the whole time doing the show, getting the benefits in real time. So you can do whatever you need to do. I put my mask on when I'm running around after Charlotte, getting her ready to go to grandma's or getting ready to come here. Sometimes I'll curl my hair, keep my mask on. 10 minutes, that's all you need, which is so easy.
Yeah, I actually have a friend who keeps this in the refrigerator, and she uses it in New York City during the summer because air conditioners in New York City are really, really loud. And this is a much better way for her to use it.
I mean, that's a genius idea. I didn't think of that when I was in New York. That's a smart friend.
I also hate to tell you this, but this one is also, this size is going away bye-bye. I know.
You're really disappointing me this hour.
What I'm saying is now's your chance. If you want it, grab it, because Autumn is using one of the last ones. So Again, if you are a little bit pink from whatever it is that you've been doing, you were outside in the cold, you were inside on the treadmill, you had your upper lip waxed and it doesn't look so good, use this mask to really cool it down. 10 minutes. It's pampering. God, why do you look so pretty?
I don't know.
Oh my God. If you want, you can tissue it off instead of washing it off. And then you could just feel that little extra dewiness on your skin for the rest of the day or the night. It is really, oh, it's so, so lovely. It really is. It's just like a little self-care moment that, of course, also is going to make you look better because that's Peter. Peter doesn't do anything just because it feels good. It's got to work.
He's a genius. Over 100 orders placed. Lots of smart people out there. 500 to go around. And then that's it. And like you said, this size, it is exclusive to the Q, but we're not seeing it again. He does these like little limited edition drops, these little capsule collections.
It's the drop. That's what it is.
It's the drop. 10.2 ounces. This is once a day, did you say? Once a week?
This is really an as needed.
No,
Once
for
a week
year.
for a year.
For
If
a
you
year.
want, go ahead. Use it 2 times a week,
but
3
that's like
times
big,
a week.
because sometimes people are really busy and they only have
Yeah.
one time a week. That's an incredible value, $39.98. I wish I did the math on that, but that's like pennies to the day. $8 gets it home on Easy Pay. A 692-027. Give us a call, 800-345-1515 to get this home. 4 rose extracts.
Can
Can we talk about this
4
again?
roses. We can talk about this again. Okay. I'm looking at my cheat sheet because I don't remember and I can't see that far. So here we go. Rose water, which revives tired skin. Rose canina with lots of vitamin C. Rose hipseed for hydration. And rose damascena, the precious rose damascena. It's hard to harvest. To comfort and rehydrate your skin.
Wow.
I mean, what doesn't this mask do?
I don't know. It doesn't look after Charlotte. If it could babysit Charlotte, I'd be like,
That's the way to go.
That
That's
is the way to
one.
go.
Oh my
But
gosh.
masks like this are so important. They really are pivotal to your skincare routine. Some people just overlook masks. They go, "Ugh,
I used to.
I don't need it." But it really invigorates your skin, and it does those things instantly that maybe your skincare is not doing for you. And honestly, it is a nice way to pamper yourself. If anything else, even if you have 5 minutes, like sometimes I have, my PTR mask and it says 10 minutes and I'm like, I just have 5 minutes. I don't skip it because I'm like, no, I just need to feel refreshed. I want my skin to look a little bit brighter. So you do it for 5 minutes, but it's just taking care of yourself, going that extra mile. I have to look, wait, there it is, because I can't see either. It's so far away. Did that say $112 retail value? Can we bring that up again?
It sounds about right.
Right? It's about right. Nope. $39.98 is your price. They're going to get it. Thank you, guys. I love you. Super size value. Thank you. $112.20. You are paying just a skosh under $40 for 10.2 ounces.
For a mask a week free. I mean, if you went to a drugstore and they have those little masks at the checkout.
That are like $9.99.
Yeah, you couldn't get anything like this.
For like this, for like a quarter of an ounce.
But
it's crazy.
luxury skincare.
Truly. And you said this is going away. Like, we're not going to see this again.
No, not this one.
So you're not getting this anywhere else. We're not going to see it for much longer. So get this home. Treat yourself. $8 gets it home on Easy Pay. Galentine's Day. If you want to give someone the gift of self-care, here it is. Also, the color's really pretty, so why not?
Yeah, I mean, it really is a think pink moment.
Think pink. Gift for yourself as well. 200 orders placed, so that means 400 left. Half of the quantity we started with is already gone. You are getting a steal. This really is a steal. When we talk about value, that's why Peter can't bring it back again, because he's like, I think I'm losing some on this, because 10.2 ounces for under $40. If you went on his website, $55 for a 5 ounce. So come on. This is a
Get
must.
this instead.